Usembut Menteri Rangba Wak Prestone Tinsong, ulalay banjurup ya ke Surok na jingking Borbasing Ranikor, Southwest Khasi Hills, kabaran 100 kilometer tam, haduk kalat Alikwareng, bat ulat hangyong ngan, habaw layui baya kini ke Surok kabalamang banlong 2 lane, lapin kala siya ke Intermediate Road da manori manu umla bantip. Ya kini ke Surok Intermediate lapin tray da Kedahar Construction Company. Ubak Prestone ula berthen ban nikren berkihe jaka National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited ban pentre bat pendep da ke Surok 2 lane da ke single lane kumbakalong menta. Ya kini ke Surok la pentre kirki menta ban pendep tang da ke single lane. Lak bantip manu pala ai hukum ban China da ke single lane bat haduk kat nu ubak Prestone ula ban penkela syaka 2 lane.
Yeah. Because see, since the land it belongs to Kyndit, you will just hand over. Then you can just go with this only. Because see, even with this, with this existing one, the crate is good enough. Or what do you say?
Yes.
I think the crate is good enough. Because see, sometimes head office they will see only from the writing, this theory. But here,
today's meeting reference,
we will not be able to. We will not touch even a single single houses. Because they have taken the measurement, everything, and there is no objection. Itu ijuan ni. Ijuan ni. Those any encroachment dulu. About it is within.
we will try because now land is there. I never knew that land is with us.
The land is already there. This land is already with the building.
All this document with this, we can take the documents.
I'll give you a copy of this. Please, okay.
Since we have already, since the land is already there, why not we convert it to double? Because really it looks very bad. Actually, from there, the moment you cross the bridge, then when I reached here, I saw what is this? Is it single lane or double lane? Or